Hello everyone, welcome to my first voiceover. I've had some people request me to do voiceovers rather than playing music, so we're going to give it a try and see how it goes. For today's layout, I am joining a celebration hop for Marie at Peartree Cutfiles. This is for her first birthday celebration hop that she is having. There's going to be lots of other people joining in as well, so I'll make sure to link them in the description below. I am using her floral turtle cut file. It's super cute and I just love the flowers on it. It's so summery. And I'm also using Paige Evans' Go the Scenic Route collection. I love that collection so much. Such fun colors. So I'm just going to be backing these flowers with this blue, and then I'm going to also add in some pink and yellow flowers here in just a little bit. I hope you enjoy this voiceover. I've never done it before, obviously, like I said earlier, so if you do enjoy it, please let me know. It's very nerve-wracking not to say and like and to pause. Anyways, just adding this pattern paper onto this flower. There we go, the flowers are done. Now I'm going to be working on the shell. I want to call this the belt of the shell. I don't know why. I don't even know if that's correct, but that's what it came to mind when I was trying to pick out papers for the turtle. So I missed a little portion of this flower here, so I'm gonna fix that quick. Add that on, then I can go back to the belt of the turtle. There we go. And I will finish backing this turtle off camera. It took a little while to do. Alright, now I'm going to work on the background here. I'm just using, there I'm showing you the turtle all finished. I'm just taking some watercolor and a piece of packaging and just smushing the watercolor onto this white cardstock. This is super easy to do. I'm not super good at mixed media, so this is kind of a go-to for me because it gets some pretty colors down, but it's not super difficult. So just add the coloring onto the packaging, smush it onto the paper. I try to stay to the less is more, but that doesn't always work out. You just keep adding colors, but when you add on your cut file and your photos and your embellishment, it covers up a lot of that. So adding some of this green color now too. I'll just place my fan there to let that dry because I want to add some splatters. I just like adding splatters. It just finishes the mixed media. It just finishes it off, and I love the way that it looks with the splatters when it's all dry. Alright, there we go. It's all dry. Now I'm going to be adding in these flowers that I have fussy cut. Trying to decide how I want these flowers to be. I want it to look like the ocean, and these flowers are kind of like the coral. So I'm deciding if I want a big layer of them or just a straight line of flowers. Just trying it out. So, and this is where I decide I like the just a line of flowers better. There we go. And I'm also going to add some more pattern paper here to the bottom. So I tear a piece off of this green, kind of make it look like the ocean floor. And I'm going to decide after I add these flowers on here that I don't like the green. It makes me think of grass. I obviously don't want it to look like grass if it's the ocean. So found this blue one and I like that much better. Kind of matches the turtle a little bit with the blue. Yeah, like that a lot. So add my flowers back in. Take a photo again, make sure I like it. And I do. So I'll add adhesive just to the bottom of that strip so that I'm able to tuck those flowers in easily. Kind of bend that up a little bit to give some more texture. Start adding those flowers back in. Have to trim a little bit of the leaves here and there just to get them to sit nicely and not cover up too much of each other. And I glued those off camera. Now I'm adding the title, and I used the foam thickers, and I just love thickers. Are probably one of my favorite things, my favorite products. They're just so fun and so cute, and it just makes adding a title easy. So Turtley Cute is the title because my daughter was so cute, and her little goggles and her life jacket and her suit, just enjoying the pool on a hot day. So adding the turtle in my photo down to the background, and then I'm going to take this white gel pen and just add some stitching to the bottom of the layout. Felt like that kind of finished that off a little bit. I like the way that looks a lot. Okay, now I'm going to add some flowers up by my photo. I felt like it was so bare up there. I needed something to kind of draw your eyes to the photo as well, because obviously that's the main focus of a layout, right? You want those cute elements like the turtle and such, but you really want the main focus to be your photo. So those flowers are fussy cut from the 6x8 paper pad, like I mentioned before, and I'm just going to add those on there. And I will also add a little sticker up above the photo, which I did that off camera. Tucking that little leaf in there. Yeah, and now I'm going to use these clear jewels, and I thought it would be perfect to add them on and make it look like the bubbles in the water. So I'm using my little jewel picker tool here. Makes it super easy to pick these up because they're so tiny and really hard to handle. Adding those on, and it looks really nice. And that is it. That finishes off the layout. I hope you guys enjoyed my voiceover. If you did, let me know again in the comments below, and I will catch you guys next time. Thank you.